This 2026 Oliver Legacy Elite 2 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Oliver is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features a silver birch interior, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, spare tire kit, smoke detector, LP detector, air conditioning. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.